This is the emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Stay tuned for further instructions.
You're going about your day, maybe at work, maybe scrolling through your phone, when suddenly every screen in the world flashes the same warning. Breaking news. A massive asteroid is on a direct collision course with Earth. Impact in 24 hours. Panic erupts. People rush to stock up on supplies. Scientists frantically calculate the point of impact. But deep down, we all know nothing can stop it now. A 10-kilometer wide asteroid, about the size of Mount Everest, slams into Earth at 60 times the speed of sound. The energy released? Equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. The shockwave alone flattens everything within hundreds of miles. Cities vanish. The ground shatters like glass. A massive fireball engulfs the sky. If it hits the ocean, towering tsunamis, hundreds of meters high, race across coastlines, swallowing entire countries in minutes. But the real disaster is only beginning. The impact kicks up so much dust and debris that it blocks out the sun for months, maybe years. Without sunlight, crops die, temperatures plummet. The planet enters a deep freeze, like a nuclear winter. Most life on Earth wiped out, just like what happened to the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Here's the good news. Scientists track thousands of asteroids, and right now, there's no planet killer heading our way. But we've had close calls. In 2013, a small asteroid exploded over Russia, injuring 1,500 people. And in 2029, a massive asteroid named Apophis will pass closer to Earth than some satellites. So could an asteroid wipe us out? Maybe one day. But for now, we're safe. Probably. Want to learn more about the wildest threats in space? Subscribe and let's get smarter by the minute.